Muigana wa arwaru a murimu wa COVID-19 urathi na mbere kwambatira o gwakia na nikio thirikari yugite ni kuongerera ceceni cia keheri niguo gutangikira arwaru othe matuko mokite. Are icera-ini riake wabici-ini cia kanji ya madagitari guku Nairobi, Minista wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi wa Kagwe oigite ceceni icio irakwo ni undu wa andu aria mangikorwo meritwo makahonere micii no micii yao ikaga warie.
We have realized that it is possible that the weather that we are experiencing at the moment is also part of the reason why we may be seeing our figures climbing up. Not so much because of the particular weather of the day, but because this is the second peak season of the flu.
Tuikinyia end of August gutika utita corona na kesi ya COVID. Koguo nikio turapush. I would rather yeherie juge ndwarwo isolation center. Na tondu nicio nituguci announce kuria na they are available. Tariu no gwire St. George's is an isolation center. The Kenya Water Institute is the Kenya Institute of Special Education. All the Korat, we have hotels that are still remaining as quarantine centers.
Arekereirie ndomereri ino riri kuri na arwaru angi eru 548 aria monekete mari na murimu wa COVID-19 kuma hari ithimi 5,000 na 259.
But I also want to point out to our female folk and our sisters and mothers, your figures are also now beginning to go up. So I hope it doesn't mean that you are also beginning to misbehave.
Arwaru aria mahonete na kurekererio kuma mathibitari-ini ni 113 magikinyiria muigana wa andu 8,000 na 821 aria othe mahonete. Riri arwaru othe makinyirie 19,000 na 125. Andu aria riu makwite ni murimu wa COVID-19 guku bururi-ini makinyirie 311. Ithabu riria riongererekete thutha wa andu 12 aria makwite ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24 mahituku. Oria uroro wa murimu wa COVID-19 uratamba o muthenya guku bururi-ini niguo undu uria uratuma thirikari yandandure mitaratara ya kuhurana na murimu uyu amu ino ni thu itangionwo na maitho na ndumiriri ya ati o mukenya akinyite itemi riake ria gutigira murimu uyu no ahuka itegutigwo na thutha. Ngiribotera Inooro TV de nyumba-ini ya kanji ya madagitari mucii munene wa Nairobi, jetagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.